friends, so we are back and today we will talk about the very important part of the computer which is called as
Mouse.
okay. So we'll just go to a very simple slide. Next slide we have. So you can see the picture here. This is mouse.
Yeah.
Okay. So normally we are having two kind of mouse. You know that?
I know.
First is, can you tell me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One is a computer mouse which we use for computer. It has left click, right click, and a scroll wheel. That's one computer mouse, and there is another mouse that will eat something like that. Will eat cheese.
It's very funny, but here I am talking only about the
Computer mouse.
the type of the mouse that we are using with the computer. Okay, so the first kind of mouse is the wired mouse. Okay, which is having a wire attached to it. Okay,
Like
and
its tail.
it's not a tail. So this wire
just-
is attached to the laptop, or it is attached to the CPU, with the help of which it will run. But nowadays we are having something called as a wireless mouse, which will work on the Bluetooth technology. It comes with one small USB which you can attach with your computer or laptop, and you can use your mouse wirelessly. Okay, like we are using it right now.
Yeah.
So okay, just coming down to the basics, here we are going to learn that in the mouse there are three buttons.
Yeah.
What is the functions of each button? That's what we are going to discuss. Okay.
Okay.
So first is first, we are having a left click. Okay. Then we are having a right click,
Click and
Okay.
the scroll wheel.
and we are having a scroll wheel. Okay. So one by one we are just trying to understand what is the function of left click, what is the function of the right click,
click,
and what we are going to do with the help of a scroll wheel. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, let's discuss about the left click. Okay.
Left click we used for just selecting.
So yes, we can use the left click in the two ways. Okay, this can be used just to select any file or folder, like I have selected here. Okay, so I'll just for example, this is a text file. There are two text files here, and I'll just make the small icons, so let's little bit back. Okay, so like this, we are having these two files. We can select that file. Okay, just to select the
One
file,
file.
we have to click only one time left click. The file will be selected.
Or if you want, we can just do left click, double click fast.
Exactly. If you want to open any file, you have to just two times double click that file.
Fast.
Okay, this double click should be a little bit
But we
fast.
should go fast, the double click.
Yeah, we should do it a little bit fast. For example, if I'm clicking right now and I'm clicking after one little bit more time, it will not open. Okay, so if you want to open this file, you have to double click
Fast.
little bit fast left, and the file will be opened.
Yep. It's just like
You can
notepad.
see how it is. So right now, I just told you what is the basic use of the mouse, especially for the left click. You can select any file with a single click, and with double click you can just open that file. Okay, so we'll go back here and we can add this point. Sorry, that if we are talking about the left click. Okay, so with the single click, what will happen?
With a single
We will
click, we will select.
Select that file.
Yeah.
Okay, and with the double click,
It will open. It can open.
double click,
We will open it.
we have to do it fast.
We have to do it.
The file will be
Opened.
opened. How will open?
Opened.
Okay.
Open, or you should just do
It's fine. So now the file can open, and the single click we can select that file. So this is a major function of the left click. You have to remember.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll move over to the right click.
Okay.
So what will happen is when you are going over on file and doing the right click, it will open some menus for you.
To
Okay.
select.
Okay. So there are so many menus as per your laptop, but some of the major ones is like which you can use it is the open. Okay. Most of the times you are going to use open only. So if you want to open the file, this is another way to open the files. You can double click left, it will open the file. If you are using right click, it will open the menus. You can select any of the menus, for example open, you can print, you can cut, copy, create shortcut, delete. You can even delete the files. You can rename the files. For example, this file is not having any name, so I want to rename this file. I can rename this file to Daria.
To the why.
Just like that. I just want to teach you that you can use these options. So there are so many options regarding that. All these options regarding the file you can see when you are doing the right click. Okay. So now is the final Word file. I'll just open it, and now we will discuss the. So let's write down here first this thing. What the left click will do. It will show menu options.
Left click
options.
will not.
For example, open, print, cut.
But
Copy.
right click will do that.
Yeah.
Use to
Oh.
left click.
Sorry. So it is the right click that we are talking about. It will show the options: open, print, cut, paste, etc. Or as we have done it, rename.
Rename.
So this is like a basic functionality of the mouse, and this will be used when you are using your laptop or computer across the programs. Okay. For selection, we are using always left click, and to see the menus or another option regarding that file, we'll always do the right click. Okay. So now we will talk about the last thing, which is scroll wheel. You will always see in between your mouse there is some wheel, but we don't know what is happening with this wheel. Okay. So I'll just show you how this wheel will work. So for example, you're having some text here. Let's say I'm just writing my name is Daria. Okay. So now you are in a Word document, okay, and you just try to scroll the wheel. What is happening? Hey, you are going down and up very easily in the document. So basically, to scroll the pages, okay, to scroll the menus, any program, you can use this.
Scroll.
Basically, when you are scrolling the mouse, you will go into the document up and down very easily. Okay. Basically, if you see in the right hand side, there's something called as a scroll bar. Okay, which you can use it to drag up and down by holding your left click
continuously.
Okay, or you can use your scroll wheel. Okay, so basically it is used for scrolling the documents. Okay, it will scroll it fast and easy instead of going and just pulling this text scroll bar. We can just scroll it.
That's so hard.
It's a little bit easier when we are using this. So I'll just, for reference, we just type it here. So we'll write here scroll wheel, and we are using this for scrolling the documents. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
So that's it for today. We have learned basic functionality of the mouse.
Yeah.
Left click, right click, and the scroll wheel. You can practice it yourself in the computer or the laptop and see how it works for you. Okay, We will be waiting for the comments. If anybody is having any difficulty, they can write in the comment section. Thank you very much.